Hi guys, today I just wanted to do a quick demo of my Dior Flawless base. So I get a lot of people asking me about skincare, and I talk to you about skincare a lot and all the time, but this is like the ultimate flawless, glowy, natural base that everyone seems to want, and I'm just using basically my favourite Dior products. I've done a lot of tutorials and talked about these concealers a lot, and I've done demos on the primer and the foundation, but I just want to show you all together how they work together and how they just give you a lovely flawless base. So this is it now, this is the finished look. We're going to go right back to the beginning, bare face, just skincare, and then you can see how we get to kind of like the more flawless base situation. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the Dior Backstage primer. This primer is so lovely, so lightweight. So I just take a little bit like that on the back of my hand, then just dot it all over my face. So cheeks, forehead, nose, chin, and just rub it in like I would a lotion. And it just gives like an underglow to the skin, and it just feels really hydrating as well. And that's why I love this, because it is hydrating as well. So you've got like the skincare benefits of wearing makeup. It's like hybrid makeup. And I just let that settle in for about 30 seconds. Okay, so I've had this on for about 30 seconds to about, actually I've had this on for about a minute, and it's all sunk in, but also I just feel like my skin has a slight bit of a tack to it, which makes it easier to then apply foundation, and for the foundation to then stick to it. So again, this is the Face and Body foundation, and this is the shade 04. In fact, this is a bit darker than my skin tone, so I'm thinking I should have. I'm just going to apply it again to the cheeks, forehead, nose, chin. Thinking maybe try a shade lighter. I might have got this in the summer, but then once it's all sunk in, it looks really, really nice, so I feel like it doesn't really matter. So because this is so lightweight, I just use my fingers to blend it in. I literally just blend it in like lotion, like I did with the primer. And this is just, again, so like it just feels really, really lightweight and hydrating as well. Like it doesn't feel heavy on the skin, and it just blends so nicely. Right, once that's kind of like all blended in and looking how I want it to go, I just take a damp sponge, this is my Luxe blender, and just tap it all in so it's all kind of like into the skin and doesn't sit on top of my skin, it just looks nicely like it's part of my skin. So next in the Dior base is concealer. So it is these Skin Correct concealers. I have spoken about these a load. I absolutely love them, but they just really, really help in this flawless base situation. I've got two shades, 4W, 3WO, and I do use both, and I just use a tiny bit. Like, can you see I'm taking everything off because they're so blendable, so creamy. And again, these are like a hybrid skincare, so you've got like long-term benefits of using these, like over time. They've got hyaluronic acid in them, so it's like hydrating the whole time. It's not going to like crease under your eyes, because it's a hydrating concealer, and it's got the hyaluronic acid in there as well. So if you're having a no makeup day, or you're feeling guilty for being at home, working at home, and wearing makeup every day, you don't need to, because this concealer, honestly, is just so nice and hydrating. So you've got the skincare benefits, and I feel like I talk about like hybrid skincare and makeup a lot these days. This falls into that category. So I'm just taking the blender again just to blend that out. And as you know, as normal, I will literally blend until, like, for as long as I can, for the amount of time I have, my Dior Flawless Base. I just love it. Taking my hair down so you can see the whole look. I'm going to show you the highlight in a minute, highlight and bronze in a minute, but this is the Flawless Base. I just think this is amazing. This is like my favourite way to do like a flawless base. It's just lightweight, it just looks so natural. So now I've got most of my makeup done, just kind of like added mascara, a bit of blusher, just to give you like the finished look with my flawless base. It's still there, still going strong. So I'm going to use the Dior Nude Skin. So this is like bronze and highlight together. So dip into the bronzer and just going to go all around my hairline. This is where the sun would naturally hit, and it just really nicely frames the face with some warmth. And I'm just going to go just on the highest points of my cheekbones, again where the sun would hit. It's like, I guess that this would be above your contour, just blending in with your blusher, then just over the bridge of my nose. Then the highlight, it's really subtle but you can still really see it. And the highest points of my cheekbones, and that just gives you like a really nice glowy highlight. That's it, that is the finished look. So yeah, just think these products are so lovely, really hydrating, and just give you this really nice like glowy flawless base which just looks like your skin but better, so it doesn't look like you're wearing heavy makeup, and you're not anyway because these are all really lightweight. So yeah, just wanted to share those with you. Hope you liked the video and hope you found it useful.